Hi! In front of me is Motorola G14 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. When you're ready, select this little icon of a photo and the camera at the bottom left corner. Now you can click on your photo right away to add it, or select Gallery section and click on it over here. Then select Add at the top right corner. You can also click on Gallery, tap on Folders, and look for your photo over here. You can select Images filter at the top to make it easier. You can pick one of those apps, or even click on those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources, like Downloads. Finally, after locating your photo, hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!